everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will understand the credit note in Odoo 19 accounting module. So a credit note is used when a customer return any product to you guys, or you gave a discount after giving the invoicing and you need to reduce or cancel an invoice very easily. So in these three scenarios, you can use a credit note inside Odoo 19 accounting module. So instead of deleting an invoice, we can create a credit note to properly adjust the accounting, and let's see the full workflow in a step-by-step manner. So here we are at the dashboard of accounting module, and let's move to the customer. So as you all know that how we are going to sell a product using the sales module, we are going to sell a product to a customer. Okay. So once you are sell a product to a customer with any of the quantity, one of the product is damaged or spoiled, they need to return that product. Against that, we need to create a credit note to adjust our accounting transactions. So there we have a customers, and under the customers there you can find different invoices. Okay. So there we have in payment and in paid and everything. So here I'm choosing one of the invoices which is in paid stage. So here I'm choosing this invoice. Okay. So there you can find this invoice is paid by the customer, which is FIDA, and there you can find the invoice line which shows the product is a table 1 and the quantity of the product is 4, and for one of the unit price is actually $240 and the total amount is basically $960. Okay. So there you can find it. And if you want to create a credit note, like the customer suddenly calls you, which means FIDA calls you and said that one of the table's leg is broken. So she needs to return the product, but she doesn't need any other product against them. Okay. So for creating a new credit note, there we have also see a payment like this. So let me move back, and we need to create a credit note. For creating a credit note, just click on credit note. So there we have a wizard, which means a credit note, and you need to provide the reason display on the credit note type. What reason, in what kind of reason the particular customer needs to return the product. So you have already know that's why the broken leg of table. So here I'm providing it as like this, and there we have the journal. So you need to specify the journal. So if you guys are going to empty that, uses the journal of the journal entry to be reversed. Okay. So this is in sales, and there we have the reversal date as well. For creating a credit note, we have two different methods, which means you can simply reverse the particular or original invoice into a credit note, and you can adjust your accounting transaction. So by clicking on there, you can only find two documents, which is an original invoice and a credit note. And there we have second option, which means reverse and create an invoice, which means there we are creating three documents, which is the original invoice, a credit note, and another new invoice. Okay. So let me click on reverse, just reverse. So by clicking on there, that particular invoice is reversed as a credit note, and there you can find the customer name, invoice, due date, and everything. And you can also adjust the quantity of the product. So here I'm providing it as 1 because one of our table leg is broken. Okay. So once I'm done with that, there you can find the total price and the amount from here itself. Now I can confirm this. So once I'm confirmed this particular, credit note, invoice is converted into a credit note. It's reversed as a credit note, and there you can find it as post. Okay. So now you can see the reversed entry from here itself. Okay. Now you can find it from the original invoice and the reversed one as well. So now there you can find a reversed one. Okay. So you can see all such details from here itself. And if you want to pay the amount back to your customer, you can create a payment, and it is in payment. If you want to validate the payment, moving on to the payment button, and you can validate that. So there you can find we are created an credit note against of an original invoice. Okay. And let me show you the second method, which means reverse and create a credit note. Okay. So for that, let me move to the customers and invoices. And here I am taking any of the invoice. Okay. So let me take this invoice which is in paid status. So there you can also find the product which is stable within 6 quantity, and there we have the total price. Okay, now let's create the credit note, and I'm going to provide it as damaged. Once I'm done with that, there we have the reverse, and there we are going to reverse and create an invoice. So once we are reverse and create an invoice, we are moving on to a draft invoice, which is a new invoice created on draft. It is not in post stage, it is in draft stage, and you can finally see the quantity. I can adjust the quantity from here itself. So here I'm going to adjust it as 2 quantity, and there you can find the total amount as well. And once you're confirming it is this particular customer invoice is post, okay, and you can simply create a credit note as well. You can provide what is the reason for this credit note, which is damaged, and now you can reverse it. Okay, now you can confirm it as well. So this is in draft stage. So we are creating another invoice, and we are creating a credit note for that, and we are also reversed it. So this is the 2 method how you can create a credit note inside Odoo 19 accounting module very easily, and this is the workflow of them. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye bye.